Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those that are new here, I usually do travel videos and also review kind of my gear that I will be using on my following trip. As you saw from the title, I will be unboxing and setting up my GoPro 9, which I purchased a few days ago. As you can see here, I already opened it, charged the battery, and also put some screen protectors, but I put everything back so you can see what it's like when you receive the GoPro 9 kit, and also give you my first impression regarding the GoPro 9, as it's a bit different than the previous versions of GoPro. So without further delay, let me set up the camera and let's begin. The first thing you will notice, it comes with a hard case, which the previous versions of the GoPro didn't have, and with this you can use it on your travels, keep your GoPro and accessories safe in one place. Moving on with what the normal kit of GoPro 9 has inside. You get 3 leaflets with some paperwork, with 2 stickers and some instructions, a USB cable Type-C, one battery of 1720 milliamperes, which is 30% more than the GoPro 8, 2 chip mounts, 1 thumb screw, and obviously your GoPro 9. So we will start first by going around the GoPro 9 and analyzing some of the new features that they done on this GoPro 9. So first, it's the size. They got it a bit bigger. It's a bit also heavier. I got the scale here, I think it's 159 grams, if I'm not mistaken, 160 grams, which is 30 grams heavier than the GoPro 8 and 42 grams heavier than the GoPro 7, and it's even heavier than the GoPro Max with 4 grams. But for me, I think it doesn't look heavy. It's a good size and I like this size because you also get a bigger screen on the back. And the main reason I upgraded is because of the front screen, and I usually vlog a lot with GoPro, so that would be a good feature to use to center myself. There's many reasons why you need the front screen on a camera. Also, they added back the removable lens, which on the GoPro 8 you didn't have. This time they listen to the people, they put it back. What that does is you can remove it, change it if it's broken, put ND filters on. Another thing that I noticed is this that looks like a door. It's not a door, it's a draining system for the sound while you are under the water. So when you get out of the water, it will not affect the sound. You will still have a crystal clear sound, which I didn't test it yet, but that's the reason this one is here. What you want to do is first grab your micro SD card, which if your kit has it, that's good. If not, you need to buy one. Open the side door of your GoPro 9. You will struggle a bit, it's a bit hard to open. Then place your SD card through that slot here with the letters facing through the battery area. Push it with your nail, grab your GoPro 9 battery, place it, and then just push it and it will lock by itself. We got our battery in and the micro SD card. Now what you want to do is grab your cable and charge the battery, since the battery has at least 10 or 13% and it's not enough for us to update the firmware. So this is what we're doing. We will charge the GoPro 9 and continue from there. We charge it and it's time to power it on. On the side you got the power button. Just press it for a few seconds. You got a nice back image with the GoPro 9 symbol there. So here you choose your language, some legal stuff as it says here, agree, GPS on, and then you need to go on your phone and download the GoPro app, which I'm about to do now, and then we will move on with the video. After you have downloaded your GoPro app, go ahead and open it. follow the instructions, open your Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi. You don't need internet, it's the Wi-Fi of your GoPro. Press your GoPro camera. Here it gives you some instruction, follow them, press continue. It will find your GoPro 9, press connect, pair. You will hear that beeping noise, it means that it's connected. Name your GoPro whatever you wish. And here are the settings that you can control your GoPro 9. You got different things that you can find and adjust based on your likings. Everything, you can find it right here. And also you can press to preview what the camera looks. So right now I'm filming with my GoPro 9 and I have a preview through my mobile. So that's how you set up your GoPro with the phone. Really simple, nothing to worry about. Also, it will require an update with the firmware. In my situation it didn't because I already done it. So let's get into the GoPro 9 itself, analyze some of the new features that this camera has and why it made me want to upgrade from GoPro 8. See if it's worth it or not. That's why I'm making this video, to give you my opinion and make you decide if it's something you want to upgrade or not. I will not be going into that much details regarding the settings. I will just go few of the basic features that the GoPro 9 has, so stay tuned. So let's begin with going around the GoPro 9. So now that I'm in the camera, as I mentioned, I will not be going into details regarding the settings, but I will go through some of the main ones, which is the resolution, the photo, and of course the front screen. Starting off with the resolution, as you can see, you can now shoot in 5K. Personally, it's not something that I will be using. And with the 4K, you can now shoot in 60 frames per second. With the photo now, you can shoot in 23.6 megapixels, which is almost double the size of GoPro 8 and the GoPro 7. And also by shooting 5K video, you can get up to 20 megapixels photo from that video. So now the main reason that I upgraded to GoPro 9 is of course the front screen, which is really useful if you are a vlogger, and it's something that I will be using for sure in the future. So to change some settings of your front screen, you can go through this icon here and it gives you some options. You can even switch it off. You can put the status only. You can have it as the actual screen, which I prefer it that way. You can have it as full screen, which is more like a zoom. With the front screen, by shooting in 5K, which I'm about to do right now, you got a delay, as you see from the screen. You got a delay from the frames, which I don't think it's a big deal. But if you shoot in 1080, it's just normal. The normal frames, no problems. Usually 1080 is what I use when I vlog, so for me it's fine. That's the three main features that the GoPro 9 has. So that was it for the GoPro 9. I know I forgot a lot of things. Two things that I want to add is about the hypersmooth. It was 2.0, now it's 3.0, so most likely it's way more smoother and stable. And also there's some changes regarding the lens. When you go into your settings, you could choose linear plus. Those things I didn't test, and the things I mentioned, it's some of the main things that I believe could make you want to upgrade. The other ones, not too much. Is it worth it or not? It's up to you. So that was it, guys. I feel tired and I need to sleep. I cannot think anything now. Good night and see you when I see you.